I think Google did a survey recently where they said that 42% of breaches they looked at in 2022 were due to weak passwords. The weak passwords shouldn't have been the thing that mattered. I think it's time to extend the concept of a password. It's time to extend the concept of identity management as we know it across businesses of all sizes. I think introducing businesses to what zero trust is and can be, and what zero trust actually means. We revisit multi-factor and what factors we're using, and whether those factors are phishing resistant, and whether those factors can be abused in various ways. We start looking at hardware devices and FIDO more seriously, as well as more sophisticated applications, mobile phone applications, and ways of doing multi-factor authentication on the device itself, and making the device part of the loop when it comes to a user logging in, and understand what those identities mean and why they're distinct and related. And yeah, I think it's a really important topic, and it's a foundational topic for getting security right in any business of any size.